Hi everyone, Kev from TDN here. Just going to do a quick review on the new Fender Pliers from B&D and Anthem. You may have all seen the edge pliers that have come through recently. Fantastic tool. Any of you Hale guys out there fixing the roof mouldings with them. A couple of people saying, oh, if only they had a little bit longer reach to get up into the back of arches and stuff would be very, very useful. Any of you, I know Vince D'Alessandro had this problem. I'm sure he showed most people, but found the two handles came quite close together, and it was you could nip your skin quite easily on this. So you can notice now these have got this angle here. You can see there's a bit of give and a few gaps in there, so there's not going to be catching skin like you were before. But the biggest thing with these, it has a longer reach here. So for argument's sake, on this body line, you know, if this was a double skin, I could actually place this quite far up and be working very, very nice on there. A lot more comfortable, obviously, if the handles were straight, I'd be in contact with the tyre, but because you've got this king, especially on a lower profile vehicle, comfortable grip. Just going to get loads and loads of power on there. So just squeeze them together, and you're going to get a nice. But again, same thing, great vision, good for panel edges, door edges. You can get the door open here. You can still use it on that. It's not as if they can't be used on these as well. So it just gives you a nice view. Now fully adjustable on the feet. So if you wanted a little bit more tension on them, you can. Yes, you can see it's just brought the handles a bit further out. You don't want them to be like this because you're not going to get the power on them. So try and keep it realistic. I mean, we're not pushing, you know, inches of metal. We're only pushing a couple of mil or a mil at a time. So, you know, this hasn't got to be massively open. Just comfortable enough to get a decent push.
Please visit www.tdntools.com, or why not subscribe to our YouTube channel to see many more reviews like this of latest tools.